BetterHelp online counseling app. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about therapy is that it doesn't have to happen in a therapist's office anymore. BetterHelp has changed a game by bringing professional mental health support directly to your phone. But does online therapy actually work? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. BetterHelp connects you with licensed therapists through text, video, or audio sessions. It's incredibly flexible. You can communicate anytime, anywhere, making therapy more accessible than ever. That's a huge plus for people with busy schedules or those living in remote areas. Matching with a therapist is quick and easy. You fill out a short questionnaire, and the app pairs you with someone based on your goals, preferences, and challenges. You can message your therapist anytime and even switch counselors if the first one doesn't feel like a fit. No awkward goodbyes, no long waits. Another advantage is affordability. While it's not free, BetterHelp tends to be cheaper than traditional in-person therapy, especially with unlimited messaging and weekly live sessions included. It also keeps everything private and secure. Now, the cons. BetterHelp isn't suitable for severe mental health conditions or emergencies. Some users also say the experience depends heavily on the therapist you're matched with. And while text therapy is convenient, it may lack the depth of face-to-face interaction. In conclusion, BetterHelp is perfect for anyone seeking flexible, confidential mental health support without the barriers of traditional therapy. It's not a replacement for medical treatment, but for everyday emotional wellness. It's a powerful step forward in how we care for our minds.